Hey, Pete Dubois here with the Master Composter Recyclers. Today we're going to spread 12 buckets of coffee grounds onto my grass lawn so we can go all organic and we don't need to use any fertilizers. And some of these coffee grounds have filters, so we're going to need to rake those out. But our first step is we're going to come over here and I'm going to dump the 12 buckets all around my grass. It's kind of a rainy day, which is perfect to help that grass decompose. And then we're going to track this over time. Okay, so we've spread our buckets of coffee grounds and we're going to rake it all in, but we're just going to dump our last 2 buckets here. And then we'll rake out all of the coffee filters and we'll rake this in and we'll see how it goes. All right, that's 12 buckets. So we're going to spread our coffee grounds here, which have an NPK value of 2, N, 0.3, P, and 0.3 K. So that's nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. So mostly nitrogen, and then we do have some traces of phosphorus and potassium. So we're going to rake this all in, and then we're going to track how it does in our nice lawn. Okay, well, we have raked in most of our coffee grounds. We're going to just rake in our last little bit just to show you. I like to use the flat end so I don't get stuck with raking up a lot of grass. And it goes in pretty quickly. And there we have it. So we're going to come back in probably a week or two and see how our lawn's doing. And I don't even need to go to the gym today.